All right, so this will be a very good start for you, that complete beginner that don't even know anything about Capcut, don't even know how to edit video using the Capcut app. So I want to be showing you everything you need to know using this Capcut app. You get the tools and how they are being used. You get, So I will click on this Capcut app right here to look at the Capcut app here. Now, you will see new video, you will see edit photos. If you want to edit photos, you can click on the photos. This photo here, click on this. It will take you to your gallery, then you bring in your photo and edit. You get, Now on the video, if you click on new videos, like now, it will take you to your gallery. Now this is my gallery. Understand? Then you select any video you recorded as you want to use, you want to edit. You can select from here. There are videos here. Also, if you want to select photos, you can switch to photos here. Then you'll be seeing pictures. You get, that one aside. Now, we have CapCut library. Now, if you go to the CapCut library, look at it right here. You give it more time to load. Each one will show you some tools, some images, some clips you can use to edit your videos. Like if you're looking for, assuming I want a background, let me just go to background because I want to explain this in a very clear terms where everyone will understand. You get, So these are the backgrounds. If I want to use any background here, like red color, look at all of this. So you can select all of this. You get my point? So I will just come here, click on here. Now, let me just select a photo. I want to select a photo. Let me select this photo. Let me bring this to CapCut. Now, as you can see, this particular photo is me and my daughter. Understand? So, let me come here and delete this CapCut watermark. So, the first tools, once you bring in a photo or a video, you'll be having these tools by here. Understand? As a complete beginner, you don't even know anything about Capcut. Please stay tuned. Make sure you watch from the beginning to the end because you are going to learn. And I believe after this particular video, you will understand how to start your video editing journey using the Capcut app. So this is edit. If I click on edit now, you will see this white circle around this place here. It shows you want to work on that video. You get, So you will see split. Now this split is if you want to cut this particular clip here into two. Like now, if I want to cut it into two, I'll click on split. So you see, there are two now, meaning I can just move I can bring one down and one can still remain up there. You get, So now let me undo it. This particular button you see here is to undo. So let me undo it. Look at it there. So we still have it complete. Now this one is animation. If you click on animation right now, you give it some more time to load, you see different animations here which you can use for your photos or for your videos. You get my point? So if I select any one here, you will see the way the animation is. So once you select it, it will be applied to that particular video or that particular image you added. So I will just select this one. Mind you, look at it here. Now this, if you check up here, you will see in. It means the starting of the video or the image, the animation will be applied at the start. So if I click on none like this, I have removed the animation I added. So if I put it out, if I click on out like this, it means the ending part of the video or the ending part of the photos. That's when the animation will be applied. Guys, I believe you understand what I'm saying. So you can just select anyone here. You see towards the ending part of this is how the image is going to end. You get my point? So you can reduce these seconds. This is 2.0. You check it, you see this 2.0. So you can always reduce it. You can tap on your finger to reduce it, making it too fast. You get, or you can, like, let me just leave it here at 1.1. So look at it, it's a bit faster than before. No, before it was at 2.0. So when that is done, I can just come here. If I want to use combo, like you want it to be on a steady, that's what we call combo. You want it to be on a steady, like the animation will be moving round till the end of the video. Nothing will stop. If you've been seeing some videos that maybe your name, the watermark, or the logo, will be moving around the screen. You get my point? That's the person used combo to do that. So if I click on combo, let me just click on none here first. Now if I click on combo, you will see that if I select anyone like this, so this is how this thing will just be from the beginning of the clip to the end of it. You get my point? So this is combo. Depending on the length of the video, even if the video is like 1 hour video, 30 seconds video, it will continue like this. It will continue like this. You get my point? So let me just click on none and then click on OK. So we are done with the animations. I believe you understand the animations here. I don't want this video to be very long. Maybe I will make it into part by part 1, part 2, because this is effect. If you go to effect now, remember this is an image. If you go to effect now, I'll click on effect. We have video effect. We have body effect, we have style, we have AI effect. So if you click on video effect, you are going to see something like this. You're going to see something like this. So if I apply this particular one, just give it a little time. Look at it here. It's applied. Let me take off this. So if you see something like, look at it there. That's on the effect. So if I click on this video effect, you're going to have it there. So this one is applied. So if I want to apply maybe another one like this butterflies, I can just click on it. You give it a little time to load. Make sure your data is on. You see, the two effects are applied now. You get a hair. So that is just it about it. You can just click and delete it. So let's go to the body effect. Now this is body effect. Now this particular effect is, just give it a little time, like I used to say, like this. You can click on this one. Let's see what's going to happen. So this one will expand the character. You get to make the character maybe in 2 or 3 places, just like you see it here. Maybe let me just click on this other one. Let me go to, let me delete it first. So now if you want to undo the first effect, like this one here, this fire effect here, what you need to do is to just tap on it like this layer here. Then you go to effect. Then click on video effect. From here, you'll be able to undo it. You click on none. So that particular one is gone. You get my point? So now you click on OK. So if you play the video, that effect will not be there again. So that one is okay. So another one is body effect. Let me just show you the body effect so that you'll be able to get it right now. So look at this particular effect. If I click on this one, now look at the way it is applied now. You get, click on this. Just give it a little time. It will be applied. So you see the way it is. You get my point? So we are going to undo it. Click on none. So click on OK. Like I said, I didn't want this video to be very long. So maybe we are going to continue with another one. Maybe when in the next video we are going to be talking about style and AI and other ones. But let me know what you think about this particular tutorial. If you've benefited from it, let me know in the comment section. Please like and share. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. See you in our next video.